Hello guys, welcome to another video of Azure DevOps. In this video, we are going to build a Python package and publish that package to Azure Artifact feed. Okay, we have created this feed and we will use ADO test artifact feed to publish our Python package, which we have the source code and all the things here. Okay, so we'll do this. We have one documentation for this. You can also follow this documentation to publish your Python package into the artifact feed. So let's now go to the Azure DevOps and see how we can do this. To publish the artifact feed, first you will have to create the artifact feed inside the Azure DevOps by going to the artifacts and clicking on create feed. Once you have created the feed, you can create one feed, suppose something like test, and you can provide the permissions accordingly according to your requirement, and you can click on create. So once you have created it, a feed like this, like how we have I have already created ADO test, will be created inside your Azure DevOps. Okay, to push the packages, that can be Python, Java, or NuGet packages, any packages which you want, you can push in the artifact feed. Let me click on connect to feed and see. So here there are different ways or different basically you can say packages which you can use to push it. So if you want to do it for .NET, NuGet, npm, maven, gradle, or any Python or universal packages, you can use this to push. So we'll use the Python one, twine. So click on twine, and this is now showing you how you can change the this file pypirc inside your home directory and push the packages to this feed. Okay, so we'll implement the same in our Azure DevOps pipeline. This is my package template, Python package template git. This is the repository. This is just a sample repository which I have cloned from GitHub to show you the demo. Okay, I have this pyproject dot this file to build my Python package. Along with this, I have created this dot pypirc file where we can just write or add in which artifact feed we can publish the packages. So here in this file, I have given my artifact feed name, that is edu test. You can specify multiple repositories here or multiple feeds here if you want, and this is the property of each feed you have mentioned here. Okay, so for ADO test I have added all the details like repository, username, and password. So this is my repository name, packages.dev.azure.com. This is your organization name, and this is your feed name. Once this is done, I have given the username as my username and password is the pet token. You can generate your pet token and add it here, or you might not want to keep your pet token directly in this code or in this file. I have kept it here for demo, so you can just give some placeholder and replace the password in this file in runtime. Okay, you can also see these instructions here if you click on twine here, and you can see how you can modify this file inside your home directory. You will have to add this piece of code inside your file to publish the packages inside this artifact feed. Okay, so here if you see, everything is almost same. We just have added extra two things, that is username and password. So this we have added to so that our pipeline can authenticate to this artifact feed, and this will publish the artifact feed. If you are not giving this, then your pipeline might fail. Okay, so it's better to provide the username and your personal access token so that you will be able to publish your packages successfully into the feed. Once this is done, you will have to build your Python package, and you will have to use this command twine upload -r. This is your feed name, and this is your package file to upload the packages or to push the packages inside the feed. Okay, I have created one simple pipeline to do the same. Let me open that and show you how you can do that. So this is my Azure pipelines.yaml. Let me open this file and show you how I have added all the code. So this is my file. I have added the trigger, this that is main, this is the pool name, and here are all the steps to build the Python code and publish that to the artifact feed. So for Python, I am downloading this use Python version task to install this 3.7 Python inside my agent machine, and after that I have just installed the twine and build to build my package, and this twine to publish my packages to artifact feed. Okay, once these are all installed, I have built my Python code. Once that is done, I am using twine authenticate task so that I will be able to authenticate with your uh, artifact feed. Okay, this is my artifact feed name. This task will help you authenticate with your feed, that is in Azure DevOps. Once this is done, I am using this task python hyphen m twine upload -r, that is audio test, the same command which is being shown here. Twine upload -r audio test, and this is the project package path. Okay, here is the extra argument I am providing hyphen config file. This is the argument to supply your .py pirc file so that it will read your file and publish the packages accordingly. So this is my .py pirc file where I have provided all the details where to publish the artifact. Okay, and here as well I am publishing in config file, I am publishing the same artifact. Okay, and this is the last step. So this pipeline will basically build the Python package and publish it to the artifact feed using twine. We have used this twine to publish our artifact in the Azure DevOps feed. Now let me go ahead and create one pipeline. If you see here, we don't have any packages inside this audio test feed. Let me create one pipeline with my YAML file and show you how you can publish the artifact. This is my repository, and this is my file. Okay, let me save it. So this is the pipeline created. This is inside this file at the moment. Let me change it to the main branch since our code is in main branch. So this is my YAML content which I just have shown you here. Okay, you can see the Python version task to install twine and building the Python package. After that, I am using twin authenticate to authenticate with the artifact feed. Like if you are using maven authenticate or NuGet packages, you can use the respective task to authenticate with your repository where you are publishing the, or from where you are pulling the dependencies. Since we are using artifact feed, we'll use this twine authenticate task to authenticate with our artifact feed. Okay. Once authenticated, I have used this task python -m twine upload -r. This is my artifact feed name. This is my -config file. This is my .py pirc file name, and this is the Python package. Now let me run this pipeline and see what happens. So this will basically build my Python code which exists in this repository. We have all the source file and all here. This will basically build this Python package and push the Python packages to the artifact feed, which is audio test. This is at the moment running. Let me see. Once this is completed, let's check if this will upload the file there or not. Okay, so this has failed to push the artifact inside the feed because I already had pushed this artifact version, that is 0.0.2, to this feed, and I had deleted it. Okay, that's why this is unable to push the same version of artifact again in this feed. So let me go ahead and change the version. So if you come here in the init.py, we have just added the version here. Let me change the version to 0.0.3. Commit it and retry the pipeline. So the now artifact version has been changed to 0.0.3. Let me go ahead and trigger the new run and see what happens this time. Something is already running. Let me cancel this. This pipeline has triggered automatically because we have enabled the continuous integration, and we just change the version inside this main branch, and we have enabled the continuous integration, that is also called trigger, for the main branch in our pipeline. That's why this pipeline is auto trigger when I change the version in main branch. Let me check what is the status now. So see, the pipeline has been successful. Let me go ahead here in my artifact feed and refresh it. Okay, so see, the my Python package has been uploaded inside this feed. You can see the version is 0.0.3. If you go to the pipeline, this has completed. This has downloaded the 7.3.7 version. Install the build and twine. Build our Python package. Okay, which is the name with this one. Executed twine authenticate. It is successfully connected, or you can say connected with our artifact feed. After that, this has successfully uploaded the artifact, okay, this file, to the artifact feed. Okay, now this is my artifact feed here. Okay, so we just have pushed it, and now we need to download this package, or maybe we need to use it. How you can do that? Okay, so to consume or download any packages, suppose this package you need, click on it, and it will show you how you can install this package. Okay, so for this, you can just simply run this command and it will install this package inside your machine. You can see the all the versions here, like at the moment 0.03 version is there. If you publish different versions, it will come here inside this versions tab. Okay, so from here first you will have to connect to this feed. Okay, connect to feed, click on pip, and here you will have to add one this file. Add this pip.ini for Windows or pip.conf file inside your virtual environment, and add this content inside this file which you might be creating to get this package, or basically to download this package. And you can all run this command, pip install command, to install this package, or you can just directly run this command, pip install py project. This is the package name to get this package inside your machine or anywhere, or you might be using this inside your virtual machines or somewhere else. Okay, so this is how we build the packages, Python packages, and publish them to our artifact feed. This is our file which has been uploaded inside this feed. Either you can download this manually as well. If you click on it, it will download one file here inside your machine, or you can just directly use this dependency or use this command to get this package. Okay, so that's it from this video. We have covered how to build the Python package, how to create this file for your artifact feed or for some external repository as well. Suppose you want to publish your artifact in not only in artifact feed but some external repository like Nexus repository, or there might be some private repository for your organization. So you can configure that repository here and you can publish your artifact in there. Okay, apart from this, we have seen how we can create the pipeline to build and publish our Python package. For that, we have used Twine to build, Twine to push basically our artifact to the artifact feed. Okay, that's it from this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe my channel. If you are if you have any suggestions or feedback, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.